Hello everyone, I am Anuja Shrivastava and today I am going to carry forward the rest of the topic in class 8 chemistry. Previously I already told you about the Rutherford atomic model, Niels Bohr atomic model and some other like a plum pudding and watermelon atomic model, and today I am going to give you the conclude of that atomic model, and the name of that atomic model is modern atomic theory. Now modern atomic theory or modern atomic model, both the things are right. Now this model is completely based on the Niels Bohr atomic model, which I already told you in the previous video. That means this is the concluded part of all the atomic models. So as per this model, whatever the features are there, just look at the features of that. Atom is the smallest particle of matter. This is known by everyone. सब कोई जानता है that atom is the smallest particle of an element of an matter, and it is furtherly divided into. Till now it was not known that atom is furtherly divided, but now the atom is furtherly divided into subatomic particles like electron, protons and neutrons. That means atom is the smallest particle of matter which is furtherly divided into electron, protons and neutrons. Now the second part is there. Most of the part in an atom is empty, as you already know from the gold foil scattering experiment कि whatever the atom is there, most of the part in the atom is empty and it is consist of two part. और ये क्या होता है, it is consist of two part. First is the nucleus, that means the center, the dense part, and other is the extra nuclear part. That means atom को भी दो पार्ट में डिवाइड कर दिया. First is the nuclear part and second is the extra nuclear part. Now the third thing is there, nucleus. As you already know, nucleus is dense, small and positive charge body. Nucleus क्या? It is dense, small and positive charge part of the atom which consists of proton and nucleon. That means nucleus of an atom, it also consists of प्रोटॉन एंड न्यूट्रॉन. प्रोटॉन एंड न्यूट्रॉन क्या होते हैं? इट ऑल्सो कंसिस्ट इन द न्यूक्लियस, और इन प्रोटॉन एंड न्यूट्रॉन्स को हम कंबाइंडली कहते हैं न्यूक्लियॉन्स. दैट मीन्स इफ यू कैन राइट न्यूक्लियॉन्स, दैट इज ऑल्सो द राइट फॉर द प्रोटॉन एंड न्यूट्रॉन. नाउ द मास ऑफ न्यूक्लियस, जो न्यूक्लियस का मास होता है, इट इज इक्वल टू द मासेस ऑफ प्रोटॉन एंड न्यूट्रॉन. मास ऑफ न्यूक्लियस इज इक्वल टू द मासेस ऑफ प्रोटॉन एंड neutron. Now the next point, each orbit has fixed energy level, or each orbit has fixed energy. As I told you that electrons are moving around a fixed path and they are having the fixed energy. जो शेल, जो ऑर्बिट न्यूक्लियस के पास होगा, दे आर हैविंग द लेस एनर्जी, और फार्दर द शेल इज देयर, हाइयर द एनर्जी इज देयर. जितना दूर शेल होगा, एनर्जी क्या होगी, उतनी ही ज़्यादा होगी. नाउ इलेक्ट्रिकली न्यूट्रल, एज यू ऑलरेडी नो, द एटम इज इलेक्ट्रिकली न्यूट्रल. वाई द एटम इज इलेक्ट्रिकली न्यूट्रल? बिकॉज टोटल इलेक्ट्रॉन इज इक्वल टू टोटल प्रोटॉन. दैट मीन्स टोटल नेगेटिव चार्ज इज इक्वल टू total positive charge. That's why the atom is electrically neutral. Now the next thing is here, an atom of an element is represented by atomic number and the mass number. That means if any atom is there, any atom of element is there, suppose hydrogen. So you have already seen that whenever these things are written, it is written as 1 1. So why this 1 1 is there? That means they are going to denote the atomic number and mass number, which I am going to tell you after this. Now as you all know that gain or loss of electron forms an ion, and already previously I told you these things in the previous chapter, that when they are going to lose the electron, when they are going to gain the electron, they form the ion like cation and anion. So these are some important features of modern atomic model, and these features are now accepted worldwide. Now so the next topic of today's video will be atomic number. So the next topic is the atomic number. So what is atomic number? If roughly or if in simple way you want to know, so the number of protons present in the atom, the number of protons present in the nucleus of an atom of an element. That means total number जितना प्रोटॉन होता है, that total proton is known as the atomic number, or in simple way you can say that atomic number is equal to, what is this? This is only number of proton, that means number of proton. And you already know whatever the number of proton is there, the same is the number of electron, that means atomic number is equal to number of neutron also. Okay, now this atomic number, it is denoted by Z. So you can say Z is equal to number of electron is there, that means number of electron or number of proton. Now that means if you want to say, example, hydrogen is having the one proton, it is having one proton, so the atomic number of hydrogen is 1. The oxygen oxygen is having how many proton? Oxygen is having 8 protons, so the atomic number is also 8. Now the next topic is mass number. Now this mass number, again this mass number you can denote it the total number of nucleons. What is total nucleons? I already told you. The total number of nucleons means total number of proton and neutron. That means total nucleons present in the nucleus of an atom of an element. तो टोटल प्रोटॉन और न्यूट्रॉन जो प्रेजेंट होंगे दैट इज नोन एज द मास नंबर. सो सिंपली यू कैन से मास नंबर इज इक्वल टू प्रोटॉन प्लस न्यूट्रॉन एंड मास नंबर इट इज डिनोटेड बाय कैपिटल A. So you can say the mass number is equal to what? The total number of nucleons. Now that means A. So atomic number, so you can also say that proton and neutron present in the nucleus of an atom is of an element is called mass number, and I already told you it is denoted with the capital A. So you can also tell these things with the some other way. How you can say that? The thing is here atomic number. Now think about atomic number. I already told you. What is atomic number? It is total number of proton. That means you can say atomic number is equal to what? It is equal to atomic number is plus number of neutron. That means how you can say atomic number क्या होता है? It is number of proton. तो नंबर ऑफ प्रोटॉन और नंबर ऑफ न्यूट्रॉन क्या बना रहे हैं, मास नंबर बना रहे हैं। तो मास नंबर को आप कैसे डिनोट कर सकते हैं, A इक्वल टू एटॉमिक नंबर प्लस नंबर ऑफ न्यूट्रॉन। ये दोनों मिला करके भी क्या बना सकते हैं, आपका मास नंबर बना सकते हैं, क्योंकि ये दोनों क्या है, दीज बोथ आर द सेम थिंग। नाउ अगर आपको बताना है नंबर ऑफ न्यूट्रॉन, if you want to tell number of neutrons, so how you can tell about the number of neutron? So it is also very easy, mass number minus atomic number mass number minus atomic number will tell you about the number of न्यूट्रॉन। क्योंकि आपको अगर नंबर ऑफ न्यूट्रॉन बताना है तो आपको क्या पता होना चाहिए, मास नंबर एंड एटॉमिक नंबर। मास नंबर मीन्स A minus Z, and you will able to tell about the number of neutrons. So this is all about the today's video. Rest of the topic I will discuss in the next video. Try to understand about the things mass number as well as the atomic number. These both are very important terms, and it will help you to find the mass number as well as the number of proton, neutrons and electrons. Thank you. Bye bye.